Are you trying to close a gap on panels of steel? Well, one of our original tools from Fit Up here are bullpens, key plates, and blank nuts. Let me show you how they work. First, you'll weld the blank nuts 6" off the center line on both sides of the panels you're pulling. Put your key plate across there. That becomes the bridge between the two plates. Drive one side in. Now, if you want to close the gap, all you have to do is drive on this side of the nut. It closes the gap. If you want to open it, maybe I need a little gap. That's what I'll do. So now we've got created a gap, and if I've got any, fairing to do, I can actually fair it right there on the product. So you can see how I can manipulate panels of steel, not only push, pull, and fair in the flat plane. I also have it in a hinge key plate and a 90-degree. Does the same thing in all of them. So remember, fit it, tack it, weld it, Fit Up here.